Can you make it as a musician? What's up, guys? So today I want to talk about that question a little bit. So first, when we ask ourselves this kind of question, make it, what does it mean to make it? Because, for some people, making it could be just playing with their friends, and maybe for some people, making it means that they want to tour the world. For some people, it might be writing music. So first, we need to understand what does it mean for yourself. Then what I want to do right now is talk about 10 key elements, 10 key points that I feel very, very strongly about. These points are kind of like elements that really guide me and I think about a lot. I really feel that my friends and colleagues also have these points in mind. Some may be more aware of them and some may be a little bit less, but they're all there. So let's check it out. Before we start, I would say some of the last points are actually very crucial. So if you're serious about music, guitar, and your progression in that world, I would make sure to maybe check that out too. All right, let's do it. 1. Can you do it? The answer is yes, and a very loud yes. If we're having this conversation, that probably means that you are in control of language skills. So you can do it. The question is, how much do you really want to do it? And how much effort are you willing to give in order to do it? You can get anything in the price of everything. Not that I'm asking everything, but I'm just saying you might need to sacrifice an hour of your time. And that's fine. And maybe you need 45 minutes, or maybe you need 20 minutes, or maybe you need 2 hours. It really depends on what you want to do. But the answer for this question is, can you play music? Can you make things happen? Is a very loud yes. 2. Make music, not scales. So look, we talk about exercise and I think it's very important. I practice scales and I practice different exercises, but it's a very strong point because we need to make music. You don't want to be a master of C major scale. You want to know the information, but you want to make music. So don't forget to practice the music within the framework. So again, go to the lab, explore, and then make something with it. You don't need to practice scales 5 hours a day and not play music. If you have 3 hours a day, I would practice scales and technical elements maybe an hour. And the rest of my time, 2/3, might be for improvisation, writing, transcription, different elements that incorporate the technical, but not just technical. 3. Focus. We are living in this insanity world that everything is crazy fast and we need to produce things all the time. And we look at our phones, our screens, our tablets, whatever, all the freaking time, which is very, very hard to process music and focus. So, for each person, there is this balance, right? So I'm not saying don't use your phone. I'm just saying find a balance for yourself. So if you're going to practice an hour, maybe put your phone on silence. Maybe turn the screen off, Do whatever you need to do to be in a space to allow yourself to focus and then learn more. 4. Consistency. We are animals of habits. We get good at what we do. So make sure you are creating a habit of practicing, of writing, of playing, of whatever it is that you want to do. I got into swimming the last couple of weeks, so my habit is now trying to swim every day or every 2 days. But I'm creating a habit and then I kind of want to do that. The more we do, the more we want to do it. So just create a habit for yourself. And I would say schedule clear time in your calendar. Don't leave it for the last thing because it's just not going to happen. But if you actually want to practice and work on something, just be like, okay, 8 to 10 a.m. I'm practicing guitar. Awesome. And then schedule it whenever you have time or create the time to practice. 5. Extend grace for yourself. This is something that is actually very important. We tend to be extremely harsh on ourselves and say to ourselves that we are the worst. And it's actually not helpful. It's actually sabotaging our own progression because instead of dealing with the music and thinking about how beautiful the sounds are, we just think about how bad we are in comparison to others. and that's not helpful. So try to just extend some grace to yourself and be positive. I know it's hard and it's like, okay, easy said than done, true, but also the intention and trying to do it is important. 6, the bad things. We tend to remember the bad things. It's a system of protection. The system wants to protect itself. So we remember how it feels to burn our finger on the stove. We remember clearly when we missed our train and we had a flight and everything got messed up very clearly. But I can't remember all the awesome days that I hung out with my friends, with my girlfriend. It's all a big blur. But the bad things, that's clear. And it's the same with music. So all the awesome days that you play with friends, shows, gig, rehearsal, session, practice, all these beautiful moments are kind of vague, but you remember when you messed up the gig. And we need to remember that our memory is biased. So don't let yourself fool yourself. Remember, there are more positive experiences there. And don't get hung up on one little thing or two little things. It's 0.01% of your experiences, so it doesn't matter. It happens to everybody. 7, play with people. I know we're still kind of like getting out of Corona, but make an effort if you can and things are available in your town, city, location. Try to meet people. Music, like a lot of things, is sort of a collective, we learn from each other. So making music with people is quite different. So just practicing and making cool music by yourself is cool, but it's not the thing itself. It's a part of it. Again, I'm talking from my experiences. You might have different approach and it's totally fine, but I feel very strongly that is something that really pushed me forward and still is. 8, flexible practice. Sometimes it's very easy to dive into the music and just practice something for an hour, a few hours. It's amazing. Sometimes it's harder, so you can write down exactly what you want to practice. But I'm just saying, be flexible with your own way and approach, because you're not the same every day. Sometimes you're super focused and everything is easy, and sometimes you're just not. So try to find a balance. You can write things on your board or just write some notes of what you're trying to do this day. And sometimes you can start playing one song for a few hours and it's great. So remember, the flexibility is also important. 9, short goals. So it's really hard when you say, I want to be a musician and move to a city and make it. It's super vague. I want to be great at guitar. Super vague. I want to play scales well. Still vague. Let's be very specific. Let's say, okay, I want to play scales from this area of the guitar to this point. Really clear. 60 BPM, 3 notes per string, upstroke. Be very clear about what you're trying to do, because then you can see your progress and then you really articulate it in a way that you can actually make progress and it's not this vagueness. So it doesn't have to be scales, of course. This approach works with all the things that we kind of work on. Just be clear about the practice and set little goals that are clear and not like, oh, I want to play guitar better. That's cool, but that's kind of like the bigger picture. Try to dive in on a more specific way that you can articulate and make happen. 10. Well, just enjoy it. It's a process. It's like, it's gonna take time and it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be the worst. But be ready for the journey and just try to enjoy the road. It's like you want to get somewhere, but it's really the road. It's like that Konstantin Kawapi song, Ithaca, where he just talks about, the point of arrival is nothing. It's just the path. So enjoy that moment that you're struggling. It's also a part of it. All right, guys. I know today was a little different. I just felt like I had to say it. We talk about these things sometimes, but I just wanted to try and be even more clear. I hope this is helpful. Please share it with a friend that might want to do these actions and be, musician and all that entails. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.